Hi everybody. Today I'm going to be doing my Mondaine official Swiss Railway Watch Stop to Go Railway Watch unboxing. So you can come along with me and watch me do it. Okay? So here we go. Let me see if I can switch this. Okay, I guess I'll just have to film it this way. Here's the box. Can't really see what I'm doing, but es ist ein box that came in via UPS from watches.com. Let me pause it here. Okay, we're filming. I got the box open finally, and here's the Mondaine Swiss watch presentation box with all the packing materials. Okay, I've got the box. It's hard to film this. I've got the box out of the case, out of the packing. Mondaine official Stop to Go Swiss watch. Going to open it here. Bear with me. Oh, and it comes in a very nice, bear with me here. And sehr gute, oops. Hold on, I have to pause it. Okay, this is really impressive. Here's the box. The Helvetica SBB official Swiss train watch. Made in Switzerland, the Stop to Go. I'm going to open it up. Sorry about the poor filming technique. Here's the Stop to Go in its case. A very nice, beautiful, professional case. Very, very nice looking watch. It's hot as hell to the touch because it's it's been in the UPS truck in 110-degree weather. Very, very nice watch. Still got the tag on it. Okay. Okay, so as you might be aware, these watches are individually numbered on the back. In the case screw down, there's a number right here, right at the bottom there. Mine is 10,781. So that's a very unique number, production number, and it's very nice that they number these. It makes the value of it even more appreciable. It says regular design 30358, Swiss made, water resistant to 3 ATM, so you definitely don't want to go even showering with it or swimming. With a sapphire crystal. You see the movement, it stops and then moves ahead with the hands, which is really nice. And just to take a look at the movement on that, we'll watch it go all the way around to the 12 o'clock position. Now this goes around in 58 seconds, the full dial of the second hand sweep. Then it stops at the 12 o'clock position, waits 2 seconds, and the minute hand just pops forward ahead 1 minute after those 2 seconds have gone by. So let's watch it. We've got 11 seconds to go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's going to stop and plunk ahead to 449. How do you like that? The where my thumb is, that's where you adjust the both the sweeping second and the time itself. It's operated by a quartz battery, and I really love this watch. So I know this video was really unprofessionally done. I'm sorry for that. This watch retails for $675, but I got mine on sale, of course, at watches.com. But it's another beautiful watch to add to my collection, and I'm very happy. Thanks for watching, everybody.